Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, so that means here at Crate Insider, it means it's time for Top 5 Tuesday. I am your host, Kate Dillon, and welcome. This week we're going to talk about our top 5 products of the week and also do a little feature here. So here's a product I haven't talked about in a while, but these are our Bell helmets. And you know, one of the favorites around here is the RS7. We do have this as a matte black, and we have it in a few different sizes. We do carry these on the shelf, and so the RS7 it's a Pro Series. Comes here with the face mask. It also has the little bag that goes with it as well. So we really like this helmet. I should have known what the price was. You know, I will ask Tori to flash it up on the screen. But and then you can always check wherever you're watching this video. You can check the description or the caption, and you can see a link to any of the products. But the Bell helmets is just something I want to go ahead and point out this week. This RS7, and let's go ahead and talk about our top 5 products this week. So in the number 5 spot is from our friends at Jones Racing Products, and this is the Jones 1035-S-CE. This is our front drive kit, which is the crank to water pump pulley, and it's one of the most popular kits that we sell, especially for the late models, the dirt late models who want to run like the tandem pump on the back, but you want to run the water pump only on the front. Then this is a really great choice for that. And so this comes with the pulleys, it comes with the belt, and it even comes with a spare belt in there as well. So that's the Jones kit, and that runs $210 even, and that is in our number 5 spot. In the number 4 spot this week is from Maxima. And you know, one of the ways that, one interesting thing that I've seen when I've been at the track, especially at like a Lucas or a World of Outlaws race, is that in between the different events, whether it's the qualifying or the heat races or whatever, what I really see the guys working on the cars is cleaning them and getting the dust off of them. Now I'm sure a lot of that is for the sponsors, but a lot of it too is just to make sure that you don't have anything extra. And with the SC1, it really maintains an amazing finish on your race car, and it also kind of repels some of the dust as well. And the smell of this, if you haven't smelled SC1, you have to. Some people say cotton candy, that it maybe smells like that. It's amazing. I love how this smells. The SC1 is in the number 4 spot, and that runs $13.99 per can. All right, next up in the number 3 spot this week is our anti-reversion mufflers. Once again, we haven't talked about these in a while, and I want to talk a little bit about how these work. So these are meant for a 3-inch collector, so it means that they're a 3 in, 3 out, which means that they're a 3-inch expanded on one end, which will go to the end of your collector, and then on the exhaust end of it, on the very end, will just be a true 3-inch. Now, the way these work, or you know how they work, is that when your exhaust system is working and all those dead gases are at the end of your header, well, it's like, think about like taking a breath out, and then if I told you, okay, now go ahead and blow, exhale even more, because there's always something left. And in this case, when you've got those dead gases really at the end of that system, what can happen is when the engine opens up for the next pulse, those dead exhaust gases can be brought in and they can contaminate the next charge. Well, here inside of these mufflers is a pocket, and those dead exhaust gases will be trapped in that pocket, making it so that you can have clean, fresh air as part of your next charge. And with that, that's how it works. But why do we care? Because it helps create more torque, and even more importantly, it'll help you to get off the corner. So when you're exiting the corner and need that little bit of extra, this is where these come in for giving you that little bit of extra torque. So if they're legal for your series, the anti-reversion mufflers, they were designed by Hendren Racing Engines, and they are produced now by Pro Fabrication Headers and Exhaust. And these ones here, now we do have these in stainless as well, but the mild steel runs $110 a piece, so just like this. All right, in our number 2 spot this week is from my friends over at LSM Racing Products. Love their tools. All of their tools, their valve spring tools, are just works of art, honestly. I mean, all of this is all CNC'd. It's that 6061 T6 aluminum, CNC machined, just immense quality. Love this. But this is our valve spring changer, and so when you rotate this, it's going to be able to push your valve valve spring down so that you can, remove the locks on it and then remove your valve springs and then be able to put the next one on. So the valve spring changer here runs $265.98, and it works really well for both your 602 and your 604 engines, and that's in our number 2 spot this week. So if you need to change your valve springs, make your life easier and get the right tools for the job, and this would be one of those. Check out all of our LSM tools, because like our valve lash adjusting tool, we're really running low on stock on our valve spring pressure tester, but we'll be getting some more of those in. I'll make sure those get on order. All right, well, that leads us to our top spot this week, and there's really only one thing left on this table, because you can see it all right here in front of you, and that is from our friends at Schaefer's. So our Schaefer's 10W30 oil, it is a semi-synthetic, and it is just an excellent performing oil. That weight, that 1030 with this Schaefer's, it's meant to be a racing oil, so it's going to have an additive package that's really meant for racing. That extra zinc in it really helps out for sure. And at a case, it's also at an excellent price point. So a case of 12 runs $168.04. So that is our top 5 for this week for June 25th, 2024. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for being part of the show. Hit that like and subscribe, and make sure you're on our email list. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you in another video.